Now, a message from our sponsors.
Lately, I've been getting the feeling that I've been lost, but with the help of the CGUHS math program, I found my way.
Sometimes, not understanding math can be quite frustrating. Sometimes you just need help.
It's so confusing. God, would someone just help me? What's this? Call CGUHS for help? Hello? Yeah, I was... Mom, guess what I got? What? I got an A on my quiz.
Good job. I know you can do it. Now here's your car.
Really?
Yes.
Woo! Go me!
Now back to our featured presentation.